Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through adding collaborators or editors on your project that you've created in LibreText. So first thing you need to do is go to the library where your project is housed and sign in. Once you sign in, if your bar is black here, then you know you're in the editing tool. So what you can do is go to your sandbox. From your sandbox, you will see the project you're working on. Click on the project title or the project. From there, you go back to the toolbar here, and under Options, you're going to restrict access. Okay, and this is where you can decide if something is public, private, etc. While you're working on the project, it's generally semi-private. People might be able to find it. Once we finish, you can make it all public. But when you want to assign permissions, you can assign page level permissions. So if someone is just going to be editing one page or one chapter, you can determine that. So you want to put in someone's name, and for here I'm going to add Nicole Swanson just as an example to this sample project I've made, and I'm adding Nicole as an editor because I've already created everything, so I want her to be able to edit. You can also add someone as an author, or you could give someone just permission to view it if you want them to look at it in the meantime while you're working on it. So we're going to add her as an editor, and then you click Add to List, and you'll see right here she's added, okay? What you want to do is, if you want someone to be able to edit or collaborate on the entire project, you will click Apply to All Subpages. If you just want them to edit a particular chapter or a particular page, then you would just hit Apply or Save Settings, right? LibreText recommends that you keep record of all the changes, right? So so that way you're not overwriting something that someone else has done, so that way you can see everything. You click Save Changes, okay? And if you're confident, so again, you can see that this person will be able to apply editing to 72 of the pages and 44 attachments, and click I'm confident, apply these changes. And now when that person logs into their sandbox, they'll be able to see your sandbox and their sandbox, and from your sandbox they'll be able to see what they're working on. So if someone if you've given someone permission, the way they're going to see it is they're going to go to Tools, they're going to go to the Remixer OER editor, right? Click on the Edit Mode Remix, and then there'll be a plus sign for a drop-down menu for sandboxes, and they'll see their own sandbox and the sandbox you've created. And when they click on your sandbox, they'll see the project that you've created, and they can either go directly to the project that they're editing, or they can go to the whole project. If you've only given them access to one chapter, they'll only see the one chapter. So that's how they'll see it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.